Ngibonga uNkulunkulu ngangiphe kona.
When I advise I go to a lady for the situation you're going and a hamburger, which one should a lady go to? As her biggest sister. And it's a lady for how do you deal with that as a sister? What is up, ladies? My name is Kanye Miles. Can you see the more kids? Child. Sis ladies is not all some keys.
Hello.
How are you?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila sis wami. The voice yakho sounds very much like uliyakana late, you know. Awufuna ushahla mina nginotes mhlambe.
Ngibonga uNkulunkulu ngangiphe kona.
Uyayizwa nje. So we're celebrating una lady banomawelele. They reached multi-platinum for Romeo and Juliet. Anything you'd like to say to her?
I'm so proud of you guys. I'm so proud of you. I think I'm not a person of many words, so
yeah. Anything you'd like to say to Mawelele? Words of Mawelele? No. Una lady as her biggest sister. Actually, speaking of lady too, when I advise I go to a lady for the situation you're going and a hamburger, which one should a lady go to?
Akakushiye vele nje mncane akasebenzi
konke nje
akakushiye phansi amagwinya amabheka
anakumsebenzi kuphela ne la lady I hope uzwile and ekuthe una lady fethu uyahlupha. How do you deal with that as a sister?
Udinga ukuthi umbezelele ubuye ube nokuthula kancane uhlehlele kuyena phela ubuyele kuyena
ne. No, siyakuzwa sisami. Can you please give a shout out to Yano Lyrics?
Shout out to Yano Lyrics. Love you so much.
Thank you.